Okay, so we just got done installing the throttle chip, the air intake, and the muffler, which you can probably hear. And now we're going to take it out for first drive on the streets and on the highway. I have it in sport mode on the throttle commander. I keep saying throttle commander. It's not a brand name throttle commander, but it's a product just like that. In any case, so I have it on sport mode and I have it on 5. It's adjustable from 1 through 9, both sport and race and normal and economy. All that has different measurements. You feel a difference?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There's a huge difference. That's a lot.
Which mode are you on?
I'm on sport halfway, sport 5. So, and like when you're just driving normal, it's not loud or anything with the muffler. But if you get on it, obviously it gets a little noisy back at you. It is a turn down muffler, so it's going to have, you know, reverberation from the ground coming back up to the cab. Plus it's closer to the cab because we cut all that stuff from the rear axle all the way back and around. We got rid of all that stuff. So there's a weight savings. Because as I mentioned in previous videos, we are purpose building this Taco to be an overlander, and we're going to be adding some serious weight to it as far as, you know, bumpers and winches and racks and things like that down the road. So stay tuned for those. But we're about to get on the freeway, and this is the part of the freeway that I hate getting onto, because if you live here in Phoenix, or if not, you've all got that one place in town where the freeways all converge into idiocy, and ours is called the Broadway. Holy crap!
That is way fucking bad.
It's got serious pickup, guys. We just did that for $700 on a Saturday afternoon, and we farted around half the time we were in the shop. We could have gotten that done in probably what, 2-3 hours at the most.
Yeah.
And
Push bug,
all that stuff. Ow. So here we go.
Falls off.
Clank, 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 clank. Start dragging it behind. Whoops, we forgot a screw. So we got to get over. Oh, look at that guy go. He's doing 90 in traffic. What an idiot. I'm not doing much worse. I turn, everybody. Good luck.
Good luck, everybody. I turn now.
I turn now. That's a whole lot of difference. A whole lot of difference. So if you guys have a stock Tacoma, you don't have to get as a noisy a muffler. Now I'm going to have to get a louder stereo system.
Yep.
That's on the way too. So stay tuned for that. And I've already picked out what I want. So there's no more decisions to be made.
In my opinion, the stereo is kind of a downgrade compared to other vehicles.
Yeah, like the Jeep Grand Cherokee that I was driving before I gave to Austin. It was a 2019. It had a banging stereo system in it.
It's nice. I love the bass.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. So when I got the Tacoma, I was just kind of bummed out. It's not, you know, what you would think. And in that Jeep Grand Cherokee, that was, oh, what, $44,000 I think, but I got it at the end of 2019, so I got a really good deal. I got $6,000 off the, you know, price and whatever. So, but still, it was technically a more expensive vehicle than this one, so obviously it had a nicer stereo system. But anyway, I know what I'm getting in this, and it is going to crush that one. So stay tuned for those. That'll be fun. Do you think we should let's be adventurous and take the 202? Why not? Anyway, it is a little noisy, not gonna lie, but we don't have the music on because copyright. headquarters, the cabinet shop, which you heard chime in this weekend. He came by to say hi and see what we were doing. And the air conditioning guys next door, they all listen to, you know, mainstream music, so we can't do it during the day. Otherwise, you would hear that in the background and we would get copyrighted and they'd kill the whole video. So we got to do our mods on the weekends. Other than the resonance, I think it's a pretty substantial increase in horsepower, and just throttle response is
It's
great.
kind of annoying.
Well, when we turn the music on, we won't even hear it.
All you hear is
It's just growling at us.
sounds like Chip standing at the window.
Our dog, he stands by the front window, and he looks at people that come by and he's like, he sounds like our muffler. Anyway, just to kind of wrap things up, our next video after this one, like I mentioned in the previous, will be the lift kit. So we're going to have that, and that's going to be a 2 or 3 part, depending on how long it takes us, because we do have extra parts on that. It's not just a leveling kit or a front end lift. It's a full-on, you know, rear and front lift. We're replacing the leaf springs in back with heavy-duty leaf springs. I'm not going to tell you who it is or what brand it is. You're going to have to stay tuned and follow along for that. And then after that, we should have our gears in from, oh crap, I forgot their name, from our gear company. We should have our gears in, and we'll get that going, get that video on. I want to get the gears in as quick as I can after putting the lift on, because, you know, after the lift we obviously have to go to bigger wheels and tires. Holy cow, that's bright. I'm blind. Aziz, too much light. So we have to get our gears changed and get our bigger wheels and tires. After we get done with the wheels and tires, then we can do something with the tuning, because we'll have it realigned, you know, everything corrected, and then the tuning can be made specific for that, you know, those size of tires and wheels and so on, and the gearing, as a matter of fact. So that's about it for us today. This thing rocks. It's already feeling better. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.